This inorganic pigment set from Li Pigments and Monica Ivani brings together 4 pre-modified brow tones that are high quality enough for experienced artists but versatile enough for students. Hey everybody, it's Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today we're having a look at the gorgeous set of brow pigments, the Monica Ivani Signature Series. Monica took her years of experience working on brows and put them towards this collaboration with Li Pigments. As a long-time user of the Li Pigments range, she was thrilled to get to collaborate with the American company. All of the pigments in this set are inorganic-based, which allows them to fade quicker in the skin. This allows you, as the artist, to be a little more careful about how you work, since you're not aiming for those bold, long-lasting effects. These pigments create soft, airy, healed results, perfect for clients who want an understated or natural brow look. Monica actually designed this set in response to her students' confusion over how to mix and modify colours. Her goal was to create a small set that any PMU artist could use without knowing colour theory, but that could be adapted by artists with a little more experience. Electric Blonde is a darker blonde colour that's ideal for blondes and redheads with natural or cool skin tones with red undertones, as it has a complementary green and neutral yellow base. Darken this pigment with Faux Brown or Absolute Brown. Faux Brown is a light brown with red and neutral yellow in the base, making it perfect for dark blonde to medium brunette hair that heals cooler than you might expect. You can darken Faux Brown a little with the help of Absolute Brown and Dark Heart. Absolute Brown is a true medium brown that's ideal for all tones of brunette. This brown pigment has a natural yellow and green-brown base to help combat redness. And finally, Dark Heart is a dark brown shade with a black-brown base that's perfect for clients with very dark brown or black hair, or clients with naturally dark brows. It can easily be lightened with Electric Blonde or Faux Brown. Monica recommends that on clients with very cool skin tones, Dark Heart can be warmed with either Electric Blonde or Grey Vanish from the Li Pigments Aqua range. All of these pigments are pre-mixed and ready to use from the bottle, and are the actual pigments Monica uses on her own brow treatments, and we've all seen how great they look. You can pick up the full Monica Ivani Signature Series in standard and EU REACH compliant formulas from the Killer Beauty shop now, or buy each pigment individually. The full sets come with a small colour chart which explains the pigments easily. Love this overview of the Signature Series? Let us know by leaving a comment, hitting the like button and subscribing to our YouTube channel for even more PMU product reviews.